How do you successfully transfer California ABC liquor license? Let's find out. Hello, I'm Harry Sidhu, Principal Broker with Mission Peak Brokers. Today we are going to talk about transferring liquor license in a business sale. The challenges of transferring your California liquor license in a business sale has caused a number of buyers and sellers to throw up their hands in frustration or throw in the towel on the deal. Here at Mission Peak Brokers, we have worked on hundreds and hundreds of California liquor license transfers. Because we specialize in gas stations, liquor stores, restaurant and bar sales, we negotiate a liquor license transfer in nearly every deal we transact. Through nearly 2 decades of working with California's Alcohol Beverage Control Board, ABC, we have learned a few things about how to successfully transfer a California liquor license. No part of it is hard per se, but errors, hassles, and delays occur for the unwary. For the informed, prepared, and conscientious, transferring your ABC liquor license in a business sale can be relatively stress-free, and that's where we come in. What is an ABC liquor license in California? First things first. A California liquor license permits a California business to sell liquor either to be consumed on the premises under on-sale license or to be taken away under off-sale license category. There are a variety of different types of licenses based on where the alcohol will be consumed and what type of liquor will be sold. The laws governing California's liquor licenses are complex and involved. It is incumbent on anyone seeking to hold one of these highly valuable licenses to inform themselves about the laws and regulations that govern their license to assure full compliance and to avoid jeopardizing losing their license. How do I get an ABC license in California? To get a California liquor license, the applicant must go through a challenging bureaucratic process to assure legal compliance, controls against the saturation of liquor sales within an area, and the appropriate type of license is issued for the correct purpose. Fortunately, in business sales, the California liquor license usually exists and makes a part of the assets that are sold for value to the buyer. Consequently, the seller facilitates the transfer of the liquor license to the buyer so long as the buyer meets the minimum requirements as set by the state. On occasion, the existing liquor license might be limited to beer and wine sales, and the buyer may want to expand the type of liquor sold and may then seek to enhance their liquor post-sale. How to transfer an ABC liquor license in business sale? To transfer liquor license, the seller must relinquish their interest in the license. The seller will do this at a later point in the escrow process after contingencies of sale are removed. The bank agrees to finance the business sale and the landlord agrees to transfer the lease. The process may take 6 to 8 weeks. It typically involves identifying the correct forms to be completed and signed. The buyer must pass a background check and then pay the necessary transfer fees in order to secure the license. The process, typically known as a person-to-person transfer. This type of transfer may occur between individuals, corporations, LLCs, partnerships, and/or trusts. Depending on who what is transferring and who what is receiving, different types of forms are used. For example, the forms used in a business sale involving 2 sole proprietors is somewhat different than a business sale involving 2 corporations. As of today, there are over 80 forms used by the ABC, so it is imperative to the parties properly identify all the correct forms needed to complete the transfer. In every liquor license transfer connected to the business sale, an essential form is ABC Form 208A, called Individual Personal Affidavit, and ABC Form 208B, called Individual Financial Affidavit. These forms require the buyer to verify information pertaining to their background and finances. They require information such as whether the buyer has or has had other liquor licenses, information about the buyer's spouse, and whether the buyer and or spouse has any criminal convictions, fines, or are presently being prosecuted. For all intents and purposes, ABC should stand for always be complete. It should go without saying, but it is fundamentally important that the buyer complete this form truthfully and completely. The buyer is completing the form under penalty of perjury. Omissions and falsehoods may prevent the buyer from getting the liquor license transferred and or prosecuted. While there are no clear-cut rules for disqualification of an applicant based on their criminal background, what may lead to disqualification is the omission of the information. Even applicants with DUI and felony convictions may be eligible for ABC liquor licensing, depending on the type of offense, how long ago it occurred, the outcome, and whether the buyer met the terms of their conviction. The key here is to fully disclose all relevant information to the ABC when applying for the license. For example, one of my clients been through 2 DUIs. We disclose this fact on the Form 208A personal affidavit by documenting date of incident, date of arrest, along with documentation from the court showing the outcome of the case. We were able to secure the license for this client. Here is another example where one of my clients failed to disclose his shoplifting conviction. ABC picked up that from background check. They sent him a letter to appear before the investigator in person. They grilled him for over an hour and almost rejected his application. He pleaded for leniency and disclosed all the facts, including date of arrest and details about the court order for doing community service. Finally, after going back and forth with ABC over the next couple of weeks, he was cleared by them and license got transferred. This all could have been saved by being proactively disclosing all the facts in the first place. One of the biggest issues that we see is that the application is incomplete in some way, either by the seller or buyer. Information is omitted, something is not signed, a fee is not paid, someone failed to disclose something. This will then set the process back weeks as the application is revised and resubmitted. Again, because we're dealing with a very, very busy bureaucracy, everything takes time and errors waylay the process. We can't stress enough that it's very important to be thorough, complete, and fully disclose all pertinent information in order to effectively process the liquor license transfer. Failing to properly do so can needlessly delay the transfer and transaction or kill the deal entirely. Should you need assistance with your liquor license transfer, contact us for a consultation. We're happy to provide you with the benefit of our knowledge, experience, and insight. Should you need more information, click on the blog post below regarding ABC license transfer in California. Thanks. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and share. To learn more, click on any of the videos around us. If you would like to learn more about buying or selling businesses, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you can stay up to date on how to buy and sell California businesses. If you would like to learn about a specific subject regarding California business sales, please tell us by leaving a comment below. Thanks so much for watching.